guys. Guys, iPhone 11. Lobo na guys yung battery. Babae siguro yung battery na to. Tingnan mo, buntis na eh. Okay. iPhone 11 guys. Saka yung back case natin, papalitan natin yan. Meron na tayong stock ng guys. Ayan na guys, yung pamalit natin guys. Wala tayo guys na ganitong kulay. Ayan na lang. Supply CDI guys, yung ating brand ng battery. Ganda rin to guys. Slide. Okay. Babaklasin ko na to guys. Ayan. Gagamitan natin ito yung guys ng ayan guys, gagamitan natin ito, no? Ayan yung pantanggal natin. Ayan guys. Okay. Gamitan natin ito guys. Ito lang natin yan guys ko, no? Ayan, yan lang natin yan. Ayan lang guys. Okay. Guys, thank you guys. Okay. Ganun lang guys. Okay. Ayan na. Kabit na natin to guys na bago natin battery. Apps. Anoy, wait lang na yan.
Padikit na rin ako ah.
Ayan na guys. Ayan guys oh. Lagyan natin yung guys ng fluid para matanggal yung ano man guys, iba hina-hot air yan. Huwag natin hot airin para hindi mainitan yung ano. So isay na lang natin to guys. Ganyan lang yan guys. Okay. Okay. Ito natin guys. Ito na rin yung battery. Ito na rin guys yung back case. Bali, kakabit pa natin yung guys dyan oh. Lininis ko na rin yung guys. Ayan oh, flat na yan guys oh. Okay. Kakabit natin yan. Thank you guys. Ayan. Nakalow lang yung kanyang screen. And thanks you guys. And please support guys ang ating YT channel, Dadadom CP Tech. Bye bye.